In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable or enable autoplay for sound in the Google Chrome web browser vertical bar PC tutorial. To get started, open Google Chrome on your PC. Now look toward the top right corner of the Chrome window. You should see the three-dot menu icon. When the menu opens, move down the list and select Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that left menu, click Privacy and Security. After clicking Privacy and Security, look in the main area of the page for the option called Site Settings. Click Site Settings to continue. Now that you are in Site Settings, scroll down until you find the Content section. Inside the Content section, look for Additional Content Settings. Click this option to expand more settings. After it opens, find and select Sound. You should now be on the Sound Settings page. If you want to disable Sound Autoplay or stop websites from playing sound through Chrome by default, choose the option that does not allow sites to play sound. And that is all there is.